Hello to all. In today's video lecture we see the DSO digital storage oscilloscope as shown in the diagram. This is the diagram of DSO. The digital storage oscilloscope, how it see it, the practically we use this type of DSO. In DSO it seem like an ATM. In practical we use a DSO as shown in diagram. The upper image is the older type of DSO, older oscilloscope, and nowadays this electronic instrument is implemented, or the next version for DSO is as shown in slide. The definition of oscilloscope is the cathode ray oscilloscope. CRO is a common laboratory instrument that provides accurate time and amplitude measurement of voltage signals over a wide range of frequencies. Its reliability, stability, and ease of operation make it suitable as a general purpose laboratory instrument. The heart of the CRO is CRT, cathode ray tube. To understand digital, let's begin with the basic. This is the oldest type of oscilloscope. The older version of oscilloscope having 185 ampere to 187 ampere oscilloscope display signal from 3 millivolt to 2 volt over a frequency range up to 500 megacycle. Beside very wide bandwidth and sensitivity, instrument several special advantages not found previously in scope. Look it closely. Digital storage oscilloscope. How we obtain a waveform? How does it show the waveform? How we showing the waveform on DSO? The waveform on DSO. The display is on. Behind the display we use CRT, cathode ray tube. The diagram of CRT is as shown in figure. It consists of fluorescent screen, graphite coating, X plate and Y plate. For X plate, X input, and for Y plate, Y input. After that, focus control, accelerating anode, focusing anode, AC mode and DC mode, grid, heated cathode, intensity control. These are the different components which is used in CRT, cathode ray tube. This is practically the CRT is shown in slide. This is the DSO. Trigger the waveform. We saw this waveform on display. Firstly, auto set the oscilloscope and shows the waveform on LCD display. These are the knobs on DSO. The two knobs uh, use a for two knobs two probes are used. Volts per division knobs are used for a voltage varying a voltage on a slide. After that these two knobs are used for frequency calculation. When the voltage is changed, volts knobs are used. When the signal's amplitude frequency will be changed, the we use second per division knob is used. On DSO, here are the different triggering pulses knobs on DSO. For square wave and for ground, we use these two knobs on slide. These are the waveforms which are shown on DSO. This is the wave where the time delayed on time base axis y axis, triggering offset trigger to the pulses. In last is waveform which is shown on DSO. The 4 volt voltage for DSO, amplitude is 4 volt, time is 500 nanosecond. This is the waveform displayed on a oscilloscope. Here the different functions we can obtain by using DSO. This is the waveform. In this waveform, the maximum voltage is 5.52 volt, minimum voltage is 6.80 volt, peak to peak voltage is 12.3 volt, base voltage is minus 6.78 volt, amplitude voltage is 12.2 volt, average voltage is 399 millivolt, RMS voltage is 5.61 volt. After that, frequency is 1.0 megahertz. Rise time is 105 nanosecond. Falling time is 100 nanosecond. Plus wide is 520 nanosecond. Minus wide is 470 nanosecond. Plus duty is 52%. These are the different functions which we can also displayed on CRO. This is the FFT transformation on DSO. By using cursor knob on DSO, we can measure a cursor on DSO. This is the another slide of measuring a cursor. Next slide is masking a waveform. Masking a waveform means we can obtain a waveform on display on DSO, but when the amplitude is changes, then that amplitude is positive or negative. Positive or negative, or it can be adjustable here by using masking a waveform. Means masking a waveform, we can adjust that amplitude. We can adjust that waveform on DSO. How we adjust? By using a knob, by using a volts per division, we can adjust a amplitude of that wave, and by using time per division, we obtain a frequency of that wave. when a mask exceeds means when we obtain a maximum waveform, maximum voltage, the amplitude will be exceed. So the these are the exceeds waveform. Single shot measurement when signal is transient is as shown on DSO. Storage of setup waveforms. Firstly, we set up storage by using waveform. Then glitch measurement. At the back of DSO, RS-232 connector is used. RS-232 connector we can connect to the DSO. These are the different CR or DSO pictures as shown in slide. Practically these DSO are used. Thank you.